What is it?
Punta kami
Your
ng
voice is not clear.
Jamia.
Yes, yes. If you pay, you should to pay 12,000. 12,000 dirham. Give you advice, okay? I just give you advice. Before you release the money, you make sure that your Pilipina is she
Tanaw
is
lang
sick
dito
like
ang
you because
Alborz. Tingnan nyo
there is
guys.
something you just
Lapit lang.